Swimmers are expected to complete 25 yards of freestyle kicking while incorporating consistent side breathing. If a swimmer has not yet developed the skills for side breathing both on the wall and with the kickboard, refer back to the sunfish level materials for a detailed progression before moving forward. Your focus here is to help advanced level swimmers build endurance, refine their breathing rhythm, and strengthen their overall technique. Before practice begins, demonstrate the correct technique for side breathing on a kickboard. Indicate clearly which side swimmers will use for breathing, such as we will take a side breath on our right side. Establish a consistent pattern to guide their rhythm. Right arm equals side breath, left arm equals no breath. This structure helps them stay confident and consistent as they advance toward independent freestyle with effective side breathing. Swimmers should hold the board horizontally in front of the body, with both hands gripping the lower edge and arms fully extended in the shape of an 11. Position yourself about 12 yards down the lane and instruct swimmers to place their feet on the wall, push off, and begin swimming toward you. As they move forward, continue cueing them with the breathing pattern while reminding them to exhale underwater by blowing bubbles. Watch carefully to ensure they rotate to the side for each breath rather than lifting straight up, which disrupts body alignment and momentum. Walk alongside them if needed to adjust head positioning and encourage proper rotation. By consistently reinforcing grip, arm position, breathing rhythm, and head rotation, you'll help swimmers develop endurance and confidence while laying the groundwork for independent freestyle with effective side breathing.